bat here after unloading. Good times are rolling. Dad's out here fogging the hell out of, guess he has ants in his shack and trying to get them out of there. filled up the inside and get them around the outside here a little.
I filled it right up to there.
Yeah, let's get a picture inside.
And Craig had breakfast rolling on the Blackstone griddle there, and fire's going, and Steve and Drew are over here kind of getting a plan to go through the wood that Steve brought up. Steve had found a whole bunch of reclaimed lumber to use to build the floor and what framing we needed, and him and Drew were here kind of going through and getting a plan together to start the floor first, and they're kind of laying it out and measuring it out here, and then I kind of hop in and basically watch them move some stuff around, but Drew had a great idea and a great plan, and so we just kind of followed his lead all day long, and you'll see at the end that we come up with a pretty good result.
What we planted out here? What's
We
that?
got a fucking laser?
Wheat?
Holy shit!
This is a real deal.
Yeah, we don't monkey around.
Man, you make me look bad. Maybe that's why all the screws
using
come
is
up
a
off my
crooked eye.
back. I didn't have a fucking laser.
I got a laser eye. I don't want my man Steve to have to overwork himself, so.
What's these batteries both dead, Drew? Or?
Hey, you know this is just a shed. Yeah, but I'm building it.
Yeah.
Yep.
There it is.
We figured maybe we'd cut a shooting path, and this will be the hangover shack.
Oh.
There you go.
There you go.
Putting a window in the back. Progress was rolling along pretty good, and then we had some rain come in, and boy did we ever. It rained like a son of a gun for a while here. It was pretty light at the beginning, but gave us an opportunity to cook up some stuff for lunch.
What's for lunch?
I brought some, I got some venison bites. I can grill them up. Guys, we're getting hungry, so we got the grill going. You guys hungry?
We staying?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
You are?
Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow too. I might leave tonight.
Craig and Stu are making good progress on the bunkhouse interior here, and so you can see the old panel here on the left side as we go, and then the new panel here on the right side, and really brightening it up, giving it some aesthetic beauty, and had some old tin Craig had reclaimed, so we're putting that behind the sink and the pump there, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I'd say the rain was really coming down.
Yeah.
I thought that was making it worse.
You ready?
Yep.
Like butter.
Just had it behind me.
Look at that. Look at this.
I mean, yeah, well, the line was crooked. He had...
It's covered up by trim, he says.
Well, it is. Curtis, you're just too picky.
I don't know if Stu ended up firing Craig or Craig ended up firing Stu, but they got the project done. Anyway, so guys got to work on the foundation here for the shed, and as you can see, Drew, they put together some 4x4 posts, and then stuck them 32 inches into the ground with a 4x4 base on them, and then packed them in with sand. And Drew said that floor will be there longer than the camp will be there, so that's pretty cool. And then, you know, we just had to go through, and they cut up the dimension of the boards they need, and Steve had brought enough, and got a beautiful frame set up.
No, I know. Yeah, well, that's no good. right in the front and shit. That's no good.
Leopard.
Watch your fingers.
There we go.
That's better.
Guys pieced that floor together really well, and Craig came out to give it a look, see what he thought.
We ain't got the down.
Yeah, I gotta be able to dance on this thing tonight.
Holy shit, that's some thick motherfucking shit.
This was built here.
Well, a bunkhouse.
Those are my standards, Curtis.
This is gonna be my hunting shack.
You don't want me in there. Okay, all your shit off the wall.
Oh no, that's a prank.
Drew really knew what he was doing here, so we just kind of handed the materials off as we needed them and pieced them together. And floor was beautiful. That was the only new wood that we used. Drew stopped and bought it at Home Depot on his way down, and 3/4 inch sheeting, treated, and all the other wood Steve had reclaimed from different projects, and we just kind of pieced it together as we went and had enough to do basically exactly what we wanted to do. And you know, I can't stress enough how much effort these guys put into this, because I'll talk about it again, I'm sure, but Steve found the shed on the side of the road for free. It's just an old metal shed, but when the guys built this floor base here and screwed it down onto it, I mean, this thing's gonna last for quite a while. It's quite amazing, actually, what they did with the materials that we had. One of the next steps was to hop up in there and cut the old floor out of this shed. It was just, I don't know if it's 1/2 inch or what, but it was a mess, and Drew went around and cut out the edges so that we could just leave it on the trailer basically, and then pop the screws and lift the shed off its little base there. You'll see that coming up.
Let me back it up. Take a couple hours till I get it there.
Be over there, be over there.
Can't back it up.
Shit, no.
You can't back up the trailer?
We'll guide you, Mark.
Hold on. What about the hitch?
I can't back up.
Yeah, but it's portion there.
I mean, I got it done. I got mine backed up.
Oh, that's yours? I thought that
I can get it done.
Attention.
Try it. Run over there and make sure we got red dot. Yeah, a little red dot. REC.
What about Peter's, man?
All right, Mark.
Yeah, we got it recording. Oh, yeah.
We all got to play with our nipples where we unload.
You play with your own nipples. Can't play with your buddy's nipples.
See, I told you, Curtis.
Cut that out.
Edit.
Oh, my God. Back up. Yep.
Oh, my God, you're going to hit it. Oh,
It's chintzy.
It's under it. It's floating. It's floating. Feel like the Amish.
2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2.
Phil, you got that? I got it.
Coming this way.
oh, yeah.
Square the corner up.
Square the corner up. I had to go down. Gotta come my way. There.
Get this one too. We'll work the corners and then we'll move the wall.
Okay.
Four corners, okay.
So as you can see, we got the shed set on the floor, and again, this is a free shed. Steve found it from his neighbor, and he loaded up on his trailer and got it up here. So got the corner squared up, screwed it down to the floor, And then here, Drew, he's cutting out for, he's going to frame in a bigger door so that we can, he's going to build a door put on there, and you'll see that at the end. Nice slider door on a, he had a, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a pole barn slider door frame deal that you can slide back and forth. You'll see it at the end. But so we worked on getting the frame built, and then fantastic discussion right here.
I don't have one.
Your boys probably do.
Why don't you?
What do I need them for? I got boots, tennis shoes, and sandals. What do I need them for?
To look
They
cool.
are comfortable.
For what?
I got one pair.
Your
dude.
wife?
What do I need them for?
You slip them on.
I got my slippers with rubber bottoms. What the hell am I doing? What else am I doing?
You wear your slippers out to eat.
No, I wear shoes or...
Wear your hay dudes.
No socks, simply hay dudes.
We're Hey Dudes. I even got Hey Dudes.
Hey,
Stu's got hay dudes.
I got 3 pair of Hey Dudes.
Holy!
What size? Chris keeps them in style.
Yes.
Probably yours like 12s.
I get a pair of tennis
Yeah,
shoes that
I got a
will
work
last me
pair.
like 5-6 years.
You got a wading pair. You're wading the river. in your
Hey, what are you doing out, Drew?
Work pair, a medium good pair, and a good pair.
I got a good pair and a hunting camp all around camo pair, which I need to get another because I walk across my driveway and I feel the stones poking through the
Hey dudes, you got to get yourself multiple pairs. Anyway, so I had to get going earlier before the guys finished up the total project, but you can see here they're finishing up gonna build the door and stuff. It's turned out really, really nice, and I know Stu's really appreciative of all the work and everything, and he said, oh, come on here, Steve and Drew, I gotta get a picture. So we got a picture with them, but yeah, Drew took some video here of the finished product on Sunday morning, and man, this bunkhouse bus looks really good. You can see the new paneling and the new tin behind the sink and pump area, and then getting down to Stu and Roger's wing. Man, it looks really good in there. So appreciative of the work that these guys are putting up at camp. And then as we get out to the shed here, just look at the craftsmanship that Drew put on there. He put that door on, brought his aluminum brake and covered up the roller, and it just, I'll let it speak for itself. It's free shed, free wood. Drew brought the sheeting for the floor. Look at it. She's a thing of beauty, boys. Great project, great work. Let's go get them.